What's being rough? The DogVinci Code. Do see dos and do see don'ts. There's food safety and then there's food safety. How not to impress a poodle's mother. Mission Improbable. Ruffman goes to Washington. Just call him Spot. When home is a house of cards. The debut of Smell-O-Vision. Take me out to the fashion show. Ruff Ruffman at large. How to get dogs and Doggerel in better shape. A lobster bake, oh Bouy. Tape loops and loop-the-loops. Yippie yay, get along little doggies. Still more mush if by land, mush if by sea. Ruff's bowling is going downhill. Roughing it with Ruff. The small fork is for dessert unless you're a dolphin. I'm okay, you're Okra. Reducing the calories in cats in your life. The mystery of Dogtopia and Catlantis. Ruff's big break. You lucky dog. Ruff's case of blues on the brain. Ruff Ruffman breaks the mold. The Dogcathalon finale grand finale. Ruff Ruffman spaces out. Scat Cat, scat. Relaxin with Ruff. Don't put the cart before the sea lion. Tryin Chef. Grandma Ruffman's recipe for success. Send in the clowns. That doesn't float my boat. It's raining cats and dogs. This old lemonade stand. The mystery of the missing thing in the haunted castle. For breakfast. To be or not to be. Saturday night with a slight fever. The old colonial episode. Cats. I thought you said kites. How to get out your inner hip hop. Good dancing and bad breath. 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.